Welcome to my night routine as a stay-at-home mom to one sweet little boy. It is getting close to his bedtime, so that means I get to do my workout and shower and then feed him and go to bed. So I just thought I would share that with you guys, so let's jump on into it. What's that? Welcome to my super unprofessional workout. I just kind of jog in place for a bit, and then each movement with the weights I do 10 times, and then I jog in place again in between each movement. I am by no means a professional, and I know my form is probably not the best, but this is just what works for me and what I like to do. As you can see, some of the movements I'll keep moving and kind of jog or do some steps whilst doing it and then go back to jogging in between. Again, I know my form isn't perfect and I don't know what exactly these different moves are doing. I just know it definitely burns and feels good. Hopefully one day I can get a gym membership again and be able to work out a bit more properly, but this is what works for me and what is easy with having a little one at home. I'm just trying my best as a stay-at-home mom, trying to get healthy, and I had failed weight loss surgery, so be nice. I have tried to lose weight and everything, and things just work out a little bit differently than we expect in life. But if you have any tips or recommendations, any tricks or things that I should try, please drop them down in the comments and be nice. Okay, so I'm all hot and gross, so I'm gonna take my makeup off and then hop in the shower. For taking my makeup off, I use the Garnier Erase It All. I just take like a big old dollop in my hands. And then even though I am showering, why are my lights flickering? I do take a little cotton round, especially around the eyes, just to help get everything off. And then I also use this pineapple exfoliating powder from Good Molecules. I do this when I get in the shower, but I'll just show you guys. It's like a weird powder that you just add a little bit of water and it like helps exfoliate your skin. And I always like to do it whenever I wear makeup just to really help get all of it off my face. But I'm gonna hop in the shower and be right back. Okay, so skincare, super quick, do the Thayer's Milky Toner. And my skin's still slightly down. And with my skincare, I like to take it all over kind of my décolletage, on my chest, my neck, ears, back of the neck, shoulders, just really take it all over. The next two I mix together, they're both Good Molecules. They're Daily Brightening Serum and then the Super Peptide Serum. And I'm running low on both of these. I like to just add a little water. And my skin is super red just because genetically my entire family, their faces just get really red, and it's just from working out. It eventually fades. I'm okay, don't worry. And between each product, I usually like to wait like 30 seconds to a minute or so. Next, I do my retinol treatment, which I use The Ordinary. This is only 0.5%. And I keep this in the fridge. And this I more press into the skin and down my neck.
This one I like to let sit a little bit longer, like a couple minutes, or sometimes I'll just do this and then I'll, you know, feed baby Jack and get him ready for bed, and then I'll do the rest of my skincare routine or brush my teeth and then do the rest. I like to just really let this sit and just really absorb into the skin so I can get the full benefits. And then to finish it off, I use my Good Molecules Daily Lightweight Moisturizer. Just kind of do a drizzle. And again, I like to kind of thin things out with a little spritz of water. I just don't like the feeling of it being so thick on my face. So if my skin is kind of dry, or in the winter especially, I'll finish my skin with an oil. It's summer and my skin is kind of combo, so I don't really bother a whole ton. I have been doing it a bit lately and it just feels almost too much, but I typically use the Ordinary Rosehip Seed Oil, and then I just use one of my e.l.f. Squeeze Me lip balms. They're one of my favorites. They're nice and thick, just for almost a bit of a heavier like lip treatment without being too much. But yeah, so that is my nighttime get on ready with me routine as a stay-at-home mom to a little 8-month-old baby boy. I do still have to brush my teeth and everything, but it's getting late and I need to feed baby Jack and get him to bed. If you guys like this video, hit the thumbs up. It really does help my channel, and of course subscribe, join the family. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.